How to extend parents' visitor visa in USA. To extend your parents' B2 visitor visa while they are in the US, follow these steps carefully. Verify eligibility. Ensure your parents entered the US legally on a B2 visa and that their I-94 forms are still valid. They must apply before their current authorized stay expires. Complete Form 1539. Fill out Form 1539. Application to extend change non-immigrant status. This form is used to request an extension of stay for non-immigrant visitors. Gather supporting documents. Prepare necessary documents. Pay the filing fee. Submit the required filing fee with the application. The fee amount can be found on the USCIS website. Submit the application mail, the completed Form I-539, and supporting documents to the appropriate USCIS address, as specified in the form instructions. Await USCIS decision. After submission, USCIS will process the application. Processing times can vary, so check the USCIS website for current estimates. Maintain legal status. If the application is filed before the I-94 expiration date, your parents may remain in the U.S. while awaiting a decision, even if their authorized stay expires during this period. Understand the implications. An approved extension allows your parents to stay longer but does not extend the validity of their visa. Future visa applications may consider the extension request. By following these steps, you can properly apply for an extension of your parents' B2 visitor visa status in the U.S. That's it. Thanks for watching.